Hi, friends. A few months ago, I quietly started creating something that has become so incredibly special and has filled my heart more than I could have imagined. I didn't make a big announcement about it at the beginning because I wanted to give it time. I wanted to see what it would become, and I wanted to make sure it felt like what I hoped it would. And over the past few months, it has grown into something truly beautiful. It's called the Serene Post, and today I'd love to share it with you.
The idea for the Serene Post didn't start with paper. It started with a feeling that I think many of us are longing for: a little more connection, a little more kindness, and a little more joy in our lives. I wanted to create something that would give people a reason to slow down for a few minutes each month, to make a cup of tea or coffee, to sit down and to take a quiet pause and simply enjoy something created with care. That's why the Serene Post exists. Every month begins with a theme inspired by life here in Nova Scotia and the changing seasons throughout the year. Waiting for spring to finally arrive after a long winter, seeing the first pussy willows begin to bloom, lobster season on the East Coast, the return of the hummingbirds, working in the garden, sitting by a summer bonfire, or simply noticing the little moments that make life beautiful. And each month tells a different story. Each month, I get to share a little piece of that story with you. The first thing I create every month is the letter, and the letter is the heart of the Serene Post. Everything else grows from there: the stories, the memories, the artwork, the recipes, the paper treasures, the companion kit. It all begins with the letter. Each month, members also receive the audio letter, and this has become one of my favorite parts of the Serene Post because the audio letter isn't simply me reading what's written on the page. It's more like sitting down together for a visit. It's where I share a little more of the story behind the month, the memories, and the moments that inspired it, and the things that don't always make it onto paper. Pour yourself a cup of tea or coffee, maybe a glass of wine, get comfortable, and for a little while, it's like we're sitting around the kitchen table having a chat together. Each month, you'll receive a personal letter, the audio letter, an art card, a coordinating ephemera sheet, a ripple card that you can make for yourself, and then you have a second one to share with somebody else, a Serene Moments card, things that are filling my cup, and a recipe card. Members also receive a coordinating companion kit and an exclusive companion video that extends the experience even further. Together, they create an experience that I've designed to be enjoyed slowly. One of my favorite parts of the Serene Post is the companion video. Each month, I sit down with a cup of tea and share ways that I'm using that month's pieces. Sometimes it's a journal, sometimes it's cards, sometimes it's going to be simply creating together. It's another chance for us to spend a little time together and continue enjoying this month's theme. What has touched me the most over the past few months has been hearing from members about what the Serene Post means to them. Many have told me it's becoming something they genuinely look forward to each month: a chance to slow down, a chance to enjoy a few quiet moments, a chance to reconnect with the simple things. Some have called it a hug in the mail. Others have even called it an envelope of love. And honestly, those words perfectly capture what I hoped the Serene Post would become. Every month, I spend days creating, printing, cutting, sorting, packing, and preparing each envelope. But it's truly a labor of love. And every month, my favorite part is knowing that these envelopes are about to make their way to homes across Canada, the United States, England, Australia, and beyond. It's amazing. Knowing that somewhere, someone will open their mailbox and take a few moments for themselves, a few moments to slow down, to smile, to read, to listen, to create, or simply to enjoy a quiet visit together. And really, that's what the Serene Post is all about, a quiet pause in a busy world.
I wanted to give you a glimpse of what it is, why I created it, and why it's become so special to me. Thanks again for watching, my friends. I appreciate you so much. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.